Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to save a screenshot on Windows. So let's begin the video. There are multiple ways to save a screenshot on Windows. The first, you have to take the screenshot. To do that, use the Windows and PrtScn key on your keyboard. Press Windows plus PrtScn together. Now the screen will briefly dim. It means the screenshot is taken. Your image will be automatically saved in your picture screenshot folder. To find it out, open File, go to Pictures, then Screenshot. Here is the saved screenshot, and here it is. You can also use the Snipping Tool. Search for Snipping Tool in the Start menu and open it. Click New. Select the area you want to capture and release the mouse. Click on the Save Snip button. Now put a name and save the screenshot. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.